XRP fights back strongly. It is no secret that Ripple Company is still battling its lawsuit with the SEC. When good news surfaced about how this company had an edge in battle, XRP prices skyrocketed. This made many investors jump back on board and invest in this cryptocurrency. On the other hand, the crypto market witnessed a big price adjustment across all cryptocurrencies, and XRP took a big hit as well. Today, XRP price seems to stabilize and look like things are back on track. We'll lay out an XRP price prediction that shows why currently XRP is on a healthy uptrend. Today, we'll be talking about XRP bounce back despite an ongoing lawsuit. Could this coin be aiming at conquering the $2 mark? Take your seat as we walk you through behind the scene happenings. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Crypto King. Here you will get the latest cryptocurrency news, all investing information in crypto, and how to earn money from crypto. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to click the bell icons so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So, let's get started. XRP is still pulling lawsuit notwithstanding. After facing a lot of backlash for a few months due to the legal battle of its parent company Ripple with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), the remittance coin XRP has finally entered into a bullish cycle which has sent the price value of the coin to a new high that it has not achieved during the past 3 years. Over the course of the past few days, Ripple's native cryptocurrency has been trading in a bullish territory. Back in April 2021, news surfaced that Ripple Company managed to get a hold of important information regarding the lawsuit. This put them in a stronger position to battle the SEC, as they now know more of their weak points. After an extended consolidation below $0.6 and while other cryptos were skyrocketing, the XRP token finally started to boom. In fact, XRP was always a lagger in the crypto sphere, as even back in 2017. XRP took a while before awakening from its $0.2 consolidation. When Vitalik started dumping his dog token and Elon Musk disowned Bitcoins, chaos got spread in the crypto market. The XRP token got its shares of this damage and its price crashed back to its previous strong support area. Price fell from a high of $1.6 all the way to $0.7 of a crash of 56% in prices. In fact, most cryptos lost around the same percentage in their valuations. XRP near the $1 mark. Ripple has lagged other cryptocurrencies in the past few trading sessions. While the XRP has jumped around by 4%, other tokens have risen, like Dogecoin and Binance Coin have risen by double digits. Ripple traders are still focusing on the ongoing lawsuit that SEC filed against Ripple. In submissions, the SEC asked the judge to give it more time to continue with its investigation. Precisely, it requested the judge to extend its deadline for both fact and expert delivery by another 60 days. Ripple Labs rejected the claim, saying that it means that SEC spent more than 2.5 years was not enough to find evidence. The regulator has also enjoyed about 6 months after filing the suit to conclude the investigation. A few months ago, the same judge rejected the SEC request to access bank account transactions of the two defendants. So what's next for Ripple prices? Following the latest crash, XRP current price rebounded from its strong support area of $0.88 towards $0.93. Its current market capitalization is around $43 billion and is currently ranked 7 as the biggest crypto in the market capitalization. Despite the recent crash, XRP's technical price action shows a light but steady uptrend. This bounce comes after reaching a low price of $0.7. The short-term target of XRP should be the psychological price of $1, which is highly anticipated among XRP investors. If the crypto market continues on its steady uptrend, XRP should easily break the upwards and pierce through the $1 area. If this happens, positively in the market should skyrocket prices even higher, as usually strong volumes occurs after such price increases. The 3 XRP survival factors. In the SEC versus Ripple proceeding, the court denying SEC access to Ripple's legal memos influenced the price in a bullish way, driving the price to the $0.932 level. The trade volume has dropped by nearly 17%, and so far it hasn't affected the price negatively. Among other external factors, on-demand liquidity is a key factor influencing the price. Volatility. The volatility is relatively high when compared to other altcoins. Social dominance has dropped, and this implies that XRP is currently undervalued. The price is likely to increase in the following weeks as the altcoin rallies and the market capitalization increases. Liquidity. The price has been largely influenced by liquidity in the past 4 weeks based on the above price charts and trend. In the last 7 days, there were 7K transactions in which 3.5 million XRP was moved on the network, worth a total of $3.4 million US. Social volume. The social volume has dropped by 13% based on data from Lunar Crush, and this indicative of a rally and a sustainable one, since hitting a top in social volume corresponds with a drop in price. Though the price has dropped, the number of transaction and volume is increasing, thus implying a bullish change. What to expect in coming days? It is expected that following the price trend from previous bull runs, XRP price rally is influenced by the altcoin rally and volatility. As altcoin volatility increases, with dropping Bitcoin dominance, XRP price is likely to increase. XRP's on-demand liquidity has increased based on the statistic, and this alongside the on-chain metrics like hodler, compositions, and volume of transactions signals a bullish week for XRP. The price is likely to rally to the $1.7 level based on the trend, and this will be sustained if there is no significant shift in the trader sentiment. The current price level is a low range of XRP, and this is a starting point for the rally this week. Before the end of June, the price is expected to recover entirely, and the market capitalization ought to recover enough to rank in the top 5 again. Final thoughts. Last Saturday, the XRP price failed to test the psychological $1 mark. On the way to this key level, the price reversed downward. Despite the dynamic pullback, the minimum was set at $0.892. Over the next day, buyers restored the pair to the area of average prices. At the same time, it has not yet been possible to overcome the 3-hour EMA 55. Today, there's a high probability of a reversal in the area of the moving average and a pullback to the target bearish level of $0.8. XRP is trading at $0.9673 at press time. The coin dropped for 2 consecutive sessions but reversed its course on Sunday. On Friday, the lawyers representing Ripple Lab, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen filed a motion to compel the SEC to produce 2 sets of documents that the company requested earlier this year. Ripple demanded the documents related to the SEC's communications with the third parties regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum to disclose the reason why the agency considered Bitcoin and Ether to be commodities rather than securities like XRP. That's all for today. If you have any question regarding crypto, do not hesitate to reach out to us in the comments section. To continue enjoying more of our crypto videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do us a favor by liking, commenting, and sharing our content with friends or across social media channels.